Hello, and today we'll be making Nutella with oats. Let's start cooking. I had a banana, I peeled it, and then I smushed it. Start smashing the banana until it's all smashed. Smush, smush, smush. Now we have just finished smushing the banana. Now we add the Nutella into the banana. Now we add in the oats and we start mixing. Stir well. Start scooping the mixture. Now put the mixture into an ice tray. Flatten your mixture. Put your mixture in the freezer and wait. I waited 2 hours while you're reading a book and playing outside.
That's why I thought we were going to get the
Let's go ride the bike with me. Now it's ready. All we just have to do is serve it. We'll take the mixture out. Thank you for watching. Bye.